Welcome back to my channel. My name is Wilson and in today's video we'll be discussing a methodology called Getting Things Done, also known as GTD. This widely recognized productivity system was developed by a consultant, David Allen, and has achieved a significant success over the past 25 years. It has been adopted globally by individuals seeking to improve their productivity and organization. What is this GTD? GTD stands for Getting Things Done, a productivity methodology designed to help individuals manage their tasks and responsibility more efficiently. The fundamental principle behind GTD is that the more information you try to keep in your mind, the harder it is to focus and prioritize effectively. This mental overload can lead to spending more time thinking about tasks rather than actually completing them. The GTD framework provides a structured approach to externalize your thoughts, declutter your mind, and organize actionable items. As a result, it offers a clear strategy for managing day-to-day responsibilities and projects. Who can benefit from GTD? The GTD system is particularly beneficial for people who often feel overwhelmed by their many responsibilities, worry about forgetting small tasks, juggle multiple roles both at work and at home, frequently start projects but struggle to finish them, or simply want to explore a proven methodology for improving the productivity. Whether you are managing a professional obligation, personal goals, or a combination of both, GTD provides tools and strategies to help you stay organized and reduce stress. 5 core practices of GTD. The GTD methodology is composed of 5 essential practices designed to help you efficiently manage your commitments. To start with, first one is capture. Collect all your thoughts, tasks, and commitments in a trusted system such as notebook, applications, mobile application, or another tool to ensure nothing is overlooked. Second one is clarify. Process the item you have captured by determining what each item means and deciding if any action is required. Third one, this is very important. Organize. Sort actionable items into appropriate categories like projects, next actions, or reference material, so you can know exactly what to find them, when to find them, where to find them. Reflect. Regularly review your list and priorities to stay on track and make informed decisions about what to tackle next. And lastly, engage. This is a very important step. Engage is to take action using organized system to guide your efforts from moment to moment, ensuring your focus on what matters most. And by consistently applying these 5 practices, you can create a reliable workflow that reduces stress and boosts productivity. Adaptability of GTD system. One of the greatest strengths of GTD is its flexibility. The methodology does not require strict adherence to specific tools or formats. You can simply implement this GTD using pen, paper, a variety of digital tools, or specialized applications. The adaptability allows anyone to tailor the system to their personal preferences and needs. Recommended reading. For those interested in deeper dive into the GTD methodology, I highly recommend David Allen's best-selling book, Getting Things Done. Personally, I enjoy the audiobook edition, but no matter what you prefer, what your preferred format, this book is considered essential for reading for anyone looking to master the system. Today's discussion covers only the foundational elements, so exploring the book further will provide more comprehensive understanding of GTD. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the GTD methodology and its benefits. If you find this information helpful, please comment, subscribe for more content on productivity and personal goals. Your feedback and support are greatly appreciated. Thank you.